This is your online teacher, Mr. First, again. We've started this topic over some, I think we started yesterday under the equation. And under equation yesterday we did the quadrat, we've done linear equation. We started with linear equation under equations. So when we finished linear equation, everything about linear equation, we moved down to quadratic equation. Yesterday we did the using factorization to solve quadratic equation. So today we are moving to using completing the square method to solve quadratic equation. The first question there is this, and that is what we want to solve now. Now, one thing is your equation can be written in two forms. One, your coefficient of x may be having unitary number. That means it will not have any number. That means it's having invisible one. But another one is when it's adding a number greater than 1. Then we say the coefficient of s square or t square or whatever letter square you are using is adding a number greater than 1. That's another one. But the one we are doing is without any number greater than 1, which is the coefficient of the s square is unitary. So that's what we are trying at this point. So please, I want us to pay very keen attention. Now the next thing is, since it's not having any coefficient here, the next thing to do is to separate the equation into both sides. So we have x squared minus 9x is equal to minus 20. Please, just follow keenly. You will see the way we're solving it. Now the next one after this is that we are going to half the coefficient of x. We will write half the coefficient of x, comma, square it, that's another one, then add it to both sides, because we separated the equation to two sides. So what is the coefficient of x minus 9? That will be half into minus 9. What will it give us? That will give us minus 9 over 2. Bracket it and square. So we are going to add it now to both sides. That means we will say x squared minus 9x. We are adding it, so that will be plus minus 9 over 2 squared is equal to minus 20 plus, you add it also, minus 9 over 2, then you square it. That is, but you place this 1 over 1 in order to bracket the fractional numbers that are there. Now the next thing you are going to do is we come down here. Since minus 9x is what we disintegrate into what we add there, which is minus 9 over 2 into bracket square, then we can remove it. So we have left x squared, we have x squared, that will now be plus minus 9 over 2 all into square. Please follow us keenly. That the next one will now be minus 20 over 1 plus, solve this one, minus 9 square will give us, minus 9 times minus 9 will give us 81, plus 81 over 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. So we have this. Now the next thing is we work on by this. Use this one to open the bracket. That will give you x squared plus times minus will give us minus 9 over 2. Rather close the bracket, then put a single square on the 2. That will give you the LCM of this number is 4. 1 goes in 4. 4 times minus 20 will give us minus 80 plus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 81 will give us 81. So from what we have there, we have x minus 9 over 2 into a whole bracket squared is equal to, add these two together, minus 80 plus 81 will give us 1 over 4. So this is what we have. The next thing is we want to carry the square to the other side. that will become x minus 9 over 2. Now, you don't need to close the bracket again. That will be plus or minus. That will be square root of 1 over 4. Now, whenever you have a square carrying to the other side, it will always go with plus or minus. Because when you have minus 4, when you look at the square root of 4, will give us 2. That will be minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4. Plus 2 times plus 2 will give us plus 4. So we are introducing plus or minus. So the next thing is we now have x minus 9 over 2 equals to plus or minus 1, square root of 1 is 1, then square root of 4 is 2. So from what we have there, we can just say x now will now become is equal to, we are carrying this value to the other side, that will become plus 9 over 2 plus or minus 1 over 2. So from what we have there, we can easily continue from here to ease the wall. That means we have x is equal to 9 over 2 plus or minus 1 over 2. So we can say x is equal to 9 plus 1 over 2 or comma 9 minus 1 over what? Over 2. So we have x is equal to 10 over 2 or 8 over 2. So x will finally give us 5 or what? Or 4. So these will be the two answers of that equation. So from here, we want to move to the second one, but the space here will not be sufficient. So kindly permit me to close this class and give us the second one. Thank you.